Um, your guidance and wisdom will be constant source of strength for us, just like a mother's love. Thank you for believing us and pushing us to reach our full potential. Just like a mother, you've nurtured, encouraged, and helped us to grow into the persons where we are today. But we're forever grateful to have you as a mentor and as a mother. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Buhay na may ganda, pangako na makamtan ko na. Sana'y di na mag-isip kung mangarap man din. Kung ang iingatan.
Salamat sa inyong lahat. Araw-araw pinagdadasal ko kayo, pinagdadasal ko ang ating community ng sister at saka kayo. Yun ang aking
Thank you po,
bagay
sister.
sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po.